Ever wondered why Uranus is the only planet that rolls around the sun on its side? It's a peculiar axial tilt that sets Uranus apart from its celestial neighbors. Unlike other planets that spin like tops, Uranus topples along, practically rolling on its equator. Theories suggest a colossal cosmic collision may be to blame for this topsy-turvy motion. This peculiar alignment isn't just for show, though. This strange tilt gives Uranus very long seasons. Each quadrant of the planet experiences 21 years of continuous sunlight or darkness. Did you know that Uranus, named after the Greek god of the sky, is often referred to as an ice giant? This term is no misnomer, as the planet's core is swathed in a mantle of icy materials like water, ammonia, and methane. Its blisteringly cold temperatures, which can drop as low as -370 degrees Fahrenheit, make this giant a frigid and inhospitable world. Let's explore its atmosphere, a thick, heavy cloak primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. But it's the presence of methane that sets Uranus apart. This gas absorbs red light and reflects blue and green, giving the planet its distinctive blue-green hue that sets it apart in our solar system's family portrait. The atmosphere isn't just a pretty face, though. It's a turbulent and dynamic place where icy cold winds whip around at breathtaking speeds. The icy cold winds on Uranus are among the fastest in the solar system, reaching up to 560 miles per hour. In the realm of Uranus, you might be surprised to know that it's not a lonely planet, but surrounded by 27 known moons and a complex ring system. Each moon of Uranus tells its own tale and is named after characters from the works of Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. From the mysteriously fractured Miranda to the heavily cratered Oberon, these moons are as diverse as the characters they're named after. The ring system of Uranus, discovered in 1977, is a fascinating spectacle. Unlike Saturn's prominent and brightly lit rings, the rings of Uranus are dark and narrow. They're made up of tiny particles of ice and rock, reflecting a minuscule amount of sunlight, making them incredibly hard to spot. And let's talk about Miranda, one of Uranus's moons. It has the tallest known cliff in the solar system, called Verona Rupes. Imagine free-falling off that edge. Did you know that Uranus has only been visited by a spacecraft once in human history? Quite a surprise, isn't it? This solitary visitor was none other than Voyager 2, making its historic flyby way back in 1986. The images it sent back were the first close-up glimpses we ever had of this enigmatic ice giant, its moons and its rings. But just because we've only visited once doesn't mean we've stopped watching. Thanks to the Hubble Space Telescope and various ground-based observatories, we've been able to keep a close eye on Uranus from right here on Earth. These observations have helped us unravel some of the planet's secrets, like its unusual weather patterns and the composition of its atmosphere. For instance, did you know that Uranus has the coldest atmosphere in our solar system? Or that it's the only planet with a tilt so extreme it essentially orbits the sun on its side? These are just a few of the intriguing facts we've learned about Uranus without ever setting foot on its surface. Now, despite our fascination with this distant world, there are currently no plans to visit Uranus again with a spacecraft. But don't be disheartened. Scientists around the globe continue to explore and study this intriguing planet from afar, eager to uncover more of its secrets. While there are currently no plans to visit Uranus again, scientists around the world continue to explore this intriguing planet from afar. Uranus, an icy, tilted wonder of our solar system, has intrigued and puzzled astronomers for centuries. This unique planet spins on its side, with an axial tilt that sets it apart from its planetary siblings. Its icy composition, a frigid mix of water, ammonia, and methane, gives it the nickname Ice Giant, a name that echoes the cold, distant reality of this fascinating world. Uranus's moons, each a world of wonder, and its complex ring system add to the planet's enigma. Voyager 2, the only mission to have visited Uranus, shed some light but left us with more questions than answers, a testament to the endless mysteries that the universe presents. But the story of Uranus is far from complete. Observations from telescopes like Hubble and ground-based observatories continue to provide us with new insights. As we continue to gaze at the stars and beyond, who knows what other secrets Uranus, the sideways planet, holds for us to uncover?